this time I am not doing a voiceover. I am listening to music, but I had to put headphones in because I don't want to get copyrighted. Alright, let's start off with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And then just pat and blend that in. Not too much, but just enough. I'm using this flathead brush so that I can blend it in a little bit more and get in the small creases and areas that I miss. Take your fluffy blending brush. Ooh, I can't even speak English at this point. I'm tripping. So we did purple, red, and then blue. So use the second lightest shade of purple. So just pat in that purple. I like it really pigmented, so I just pack it in as much as I can. And then blend. I gotta see what I'm doing. Alright. Same brush. You can switch brushes if you don't want the colors to blend in, but that's exactly what I want, so I'm gonna use the same brush. Red. Ooh, excuse me. So for this one, we're going to be using this red. And then, like the purple, pack it in. These are some beautiful colors. I am not a professional either, so I would tell you the name of the brushes, but I don't exactly know like the specific names and numbers of the brushes. And then for the blue, these two gorgeous shades. And pack. You also want to bring it out at the edge. We are going to take this thin brush and your concealer once again, and then we're going to cut create that cut crease line. And that is just going to be a guide. Dislike about cut creases though, especially with using concealer within a cut crease, is that I have hooded eyes, so it makes it 10 times harder to keep the makeup in place, especially the concealer, when doing stuff like this, because it creases in my eyelid creases. Like this one, already creasing and the concealer is just bunched up and it messes me up, so then I would have to reapply. Luckily I'm not going nowhere with this look, so I think it's fun for this tutorial and this video. Alright, then I'm taking the flathead brush once again and my concealer, and then we're just going to bring the concealer down. And that is pretty much it, and then you're gonna slowly blend this in, either with your finger or with your brush. Bring this down some more. Alright, I'm gonna just blend this in with my finger. go back into our Spotlight palette. And then we just take another fluffy brush, eyeshadow brush. Pat that right on there. And then pat it on the lid. And now I'm gonna go over both eyelids actually with each color and then go above that line so that I can darken it just a bit. Take this one. And pat that into the crease. Liner. Right, and I will come back after I apply false lash. So now all that's left to do is the lips. Okay. So I just take my pencil, eyeliner. I don't have a lip liner. Okay, and the look while I was away, I went back over the concealer for both eyes again because they were irritating me. And this one is still not where I want it to be, but hopefully it doesn't look too bad on camera. We don't need that.